Hello everyone, welcome to another Windows 11 tutorial video. Now in this video I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi not showing in Windows 11 settings. This is a very very particular tutorial. A lot of people are experiencing this on Windows 11, so let's get started. So obviously the first thing that you can do is you can disable airplane mode on Windows 11. This is what happens when you cannot go and you cannot do pretty much anything on the internet, and Wi-Fi will be disabled as well. So turn off the airplane mode and disable it. This will allow you to use your Wi-Fi. Now next up, you can also go to network and internet and then airplane mode and turn it off as well. You can check the Wi-Fi connectivity as well by pressing Windows key plus A, and this will open up the Wi-Fi section. Here you can maybe connect automatically or just connect. Now this is if your Wi-Fi is showing. Now you can also re-enable Wi-Fi adapter. This is by going into control panel, going to network and internet, and then network and sharing center. Here you can change the adapter settings, and you can right click and disable it and then enable it once again. Now this helps for the most part. Now second thing that you can do is you can reset all network adapters by going network and internet, advanced network settings, from there network reset, from there reset now. This will restart your PC and restart your network as well. Now additionally, you can check the VLAN auto config service, which is by going into Windows key plus R to open the run dialog, and then services.msc, and then here you'll be able to find VLAN auto config. Here you will be able to restart it as well. Now this can also happen as well. Now sometimes Wi-Fi will not show because you don't have it maybe enabled. That's also one thing, or you need to update or reinstall your network driver as well. So try all of these solutions. One of these solutions or many of these solutions will help you by going again device manager, going here and then updating the driver. Obviously this is just for the drivers. You already know how to do that probably. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions or additional comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.